Hi, it's Chris with WTI. My wife and I love outdoor garden lights. This solar watering can with cascading lights has been a great addition to our garden.
There are 6 copper string cascading lights with a total of 90 LEDs. They simulate the water flowing from the watering can. This light is so bright that it makes your garden sparkle all night long.
It's made of a rust-proof metal, and it has the solar panel right at the top, so it has to be positioned in a spot that it gets as much sunlight as possible. It also has a little switch at the top that turns it on and off when you're away.
This light fixture is very easy to hang. We think it looks amazing on the black shepherd's hook that also comes with the light.
Our backyard is visible from people walking on the street path next to our home. And we receive a number of compliments about these lights from our neighbors. And that's my point of view.